Today I'm going to share you what you mean by local variables and global variables. I will give the clarity. So it is an important topic. If we learn this, the further topics will be very easy. Okay. So let's get started. Based on the variable declaration, there are two types of variables: local variable and global variable. We have already seen what you mean by variable declaration. Okay. So based on that, we have local and global variables. If you not listen to the topic, just go through these topics. Okay, local and global variables. Let us see first local variable. The local variable are declared within the scope of the method. See, just clarify this. We will now clarify that. First line, this is what I created, local variables as in a class, and I created one method, get local variables. So let us see here, local variables are declared within the scope of a method. So this is in a scope, we call within the scope of method local variables are declared. This is fine, right? The first line is clarified. Local variables can be acts as only within the same method. Let us find out this. See, I created one method get local variable and another method as get text. So what they are saying, the local variables are acts as only within the method, not other than that. Okay, have you got? It acts only within this method, not other methods. Okay, they told that let us find out whether it is right or wrong. So I created one local variable within the method. What do you mean by that? Local, whatever, whoever say local variable, it should be and it must be within the method, within the scope of the method. So local variable system.out.println. Here with, you can see within 5 to 9 lines there is no errors at all. Okay, so it is working fine. The compiler checks it is fine. Next, go to 10 to 13 lines. Okay, the other method I created as getText, and I am calling this same str, string str, into here. So it is throwing some compilation error. Create a local variable str. Have you got what it is saying? We need now we got that local variables acts only within that particular method, not other than that. Okay, the third line is local variables must be initialized and used. Let us find. So here I created a string str type and I am using here printing within the console str. If I use system.out.println, it seems that I am printing the output onto the console, not onto the browser. Okay, system str, and I used here. So it must be initialized and used. What do you mean by this? Is in a declaration, right? String str. So this is in a declaration. If I give any value to this, then it is called as an initialization. Okay, so now I chosen that. Let us see, is there any error it throws? Yeah, compilation error. Initialize variable, so it must be initialized and used. So finally what we got, local variables acts only within the scope of a method. It could not be act other than this method we have seen. And one more, we need to initialize and use the local variable. Have you seen that? Without initialization we are getting a compilation error. And the interview point of questions is, if we use the local variable within the another method, what it throws? It throws a compilation error. If we use the without initialization, we use the local variable, what will happen? It shows a compilation error. These are the two important main interview questions, guys. Please mind it.